Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, let's take a look at the original box. Right here on the bottom we can find serial number of your camera. On the back we can find what's in the box and some specification of the camera. For example, battery lasting time, display type, some information about audio recording, and center and track subjects. Also, we can learn that this camera has robust stabilization with 360 degrees horizon steady function. And next, we can download application for App Store and Android. Let's start with the removing the protective film. In the original box we've got two boxes, accessories and camera. Also, we can find this stabilization stick. Now, let's start with the camera box. And in the camera box, we've got the main camera and holder. With some more accessories. Like adapter, and two screws for the adapter. Now let's open the accessories box. In here we can find another adapter, USB-C to USB-C cable, manuals, and in the end we've got the battery box with 3 batteries. Each of them should last up to 4 hours of recording. We can charge batteries directly via the box. Now let's take a look at the camera, because that's what is the most important thing. Let me open it. And here we've got the lens, USB-C charging port, battery spot with the SD card spot, and also right here we've got the cover, thanks to which we can connect the holder. This one is magnetic. Let's insert the battery in the camera and power it on. To turn the camera on, press this button right here. Select language. Confirm. Select the date and time. Start. Press once to take photos or record. Press and hold. Enable snapshot when camera is powered off. Swipe left or right to change shooting mode. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.